After turning 60, your legs might stop listening to you. Those nagging pains and nightly cramps are more than just signs of getting older today. They are urgent cries for help from your joints. Walking across the room should not feel like a mountain climb or a painful daily chore. But what if I told you that nature has already provided a solution? There are specific foods that can actually rebuild your precious joint health. Inside your knees, the protective cartilage is wearing thin. Without this cushion, bones rub together, causing the sharp inflammation and stiffness you feel now. This friction is the primary source of your discomfort. It limits your movement and steals away the joy of an active, independent lifestyle every day. Today, we reveal 7 golden foods capable of regenerating your joint fluid. These natural wonders are the keys to unlocking a future of pain-free movement. Let us explore how you can feed your joints the exact nutrients they need to heal, starting with the very first step toward your recovery today. Your joints rely on synovial fluid for lubrication. Think of it as the oil in an engine that keeps all the moving parts gliding smoothly. Collagen provides the structural framework for your cartilage. As we age, our bodies produce less of it, making our joints much more brittle and vulnerable. To fix this, we must improve blood flow. Nitric oxide helps dilate your vessels, ensuring that healing nutrients can actually reach your tired, aching legs. When you eat the right foods, you provide the raw materials for repair. Your body is a miraculous machine that can heal if given proper fuel. We start our list at number 7 with powerful nuts. Almonds and walnuts are packed with omega-3 fatty acids that significantly reduce systemic vascular inflammation. These healthy fats act as a natural anti-inflammatory for your joints. They also provide vitamin E, which protects the cartilage cells from further oxidative damage. Just a small handful daily can start the process of calming the fire in your knees. It is a simple, delicious way to support your mobility. At number 6, we have dark leafy greens like broccoli and kale. These vegetables are true superstars when it comes to long-term joint protection and health. They contain a special compound called sulforaphane. Scientific studies suggest this molecule can actually block the enzymes that cause joint destruction and painful bone rubbing. By including more greens in your meals, you create a chemical shield. This shield prevents the slow erosion of your cartilage, keeping your joints much younger. Moving to number 5, we find vibrant citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are not just for colds, they are essential for your walking ability. Vitamin C is the primary catalyst for collagen synthesis in the human body. Without enough of it, your body simply cannot repair its damaged connective tissues. This vital nutrient helps bind the collagen fibers together for strength. It ensures that your cartilage remains resilient and capable of absorbing the shock of walking. We enter the top 4 with fatty fish like salmon and sardines. These are the ultimate sources of high-quality proteins and specialized joint-healing fats. The high concentration of EPA and DHA in fish oil targets inflammation directly. It works like a natural lubricant, reducing the morning stiffness in your legs. Eating fatty fish twice a week can drastically change how you move. It provides the deep nourishment required to keep your joints flexible and completely pain-free. Coming in at number 3 are the humble garlic and onions. These kitchen staples contain a powerful sulfur compound known as diallyl disulfide. This compound limits the damage to your cartilage cells from aging. It is a potent defense mechanism that preserves the integrity of your connective tissues. Adding these to your daily cooking is a simple habit with massive benefits. They work silently from within to protect every joint in your entire body. At number 2, we have the legendary turmeric and ginger. These roots have been used for centuries to treat joint pain with incredible proven success. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, is a world-renowned anti-inflammatory. In many clinical trials, it is proven to be as effective as common painkillers. Ginger complements this by blocking multiple inflammatory pathways simultaneously. Together, they form a powerful duo that can stop joint swelling and sharp aches quickly. Now, we reach the #1 golden food for anyone over 60. This traditional remedy is the most direct way to rebuild your cartilage from scratch. Bone broth is the ultimate king of joint health. It is literally liquid collagen, providing your body with the exact building blocks it needs to repair. It contains natural glucosamine and chondroitin in their most absorbable forms. These nutrients act like biological glue, patching up the worn-out areas of your joints. Drinking a warm cup of bone broth daily is like giving your joints a luxury spa treatment. It restores the cushion and brings back the ease of movement. To get the best results, start your morning with a glass of warm turmeric and ginger tea. This wakes up your circulation and prepares your joints. You can add a touch of honey and a pinch of black pepper. The pepper actually increases the absorption of curcumin by up to 2,000%. However, you must avoid the #1 enemy of joints, refined sugar. Sugar triggers the release of inflammatory cytokines that destroy your hard-earned progress today. Sugar acts like fuel on a fire, making every ache feel 10 times worse. Cutting back on sweets is the fastest way to feel immediate relief. Imagine being able to walk upstairs without hesitation. By choosing these 7 foods, you are reclaiming your freedom and your ability to explore the world. I challenge you to try this nutritional plan for the next 30 days. Consistency is the key to seeing real, physical changes in your joint mobility. Do not let pain hold you back from the life you deserve. Share this video with your friends so you can all stay active together for years. Subscribe for more health secrets and join our community of vibrant seniors. Together, we can make the golden years the best years of our lives. Your journey to pain-free walking starts at your very next meal. Choose health, choose life, and let these golden foods heal you from the inside out. Every step you take today is a step toward a stronger tomorrow. Thank you for watching, and here is to your health and your new mobility. Remember that these foods work best when eaten in their most natural state. Avoid overcooking your vegetables to keep all those protective nutrients completely intact. Patience is required as your body rebuilds its cartilage layers. It took time for the wear to happen, so give it time to heal and restore. Combined with gentle movement, these foods will transform your life. You will feel lighter, more flexible, and ready to take on any adventure that comes. The small changes you make today will lead to massive results tomorrow. Your body is ready to heal. All it needs is your support and commitment. Health is the greatest wealth we can ever possess at any age. Eating for your joints is an investment in your happiness and your future memories. Feel the difference as the inflammation fades and the comfort returns. You are not just eating food, you are consuming the medicine of the earth today. Every new day is an opportunity to feel better than the last. Trust the process and listen to the positive changes happening within your incredible body. Hydration is also vital. Water helps the cartilage stay plump and soft. Drink plenty of water along with these 7 golden foods for the best outcome. Bone broth can be a savory base for many delicious, healing soups. Get creative in the kitchen and enjoy the process of nourishing your tired joints. No more hesitation when you stand up from your favorite chair. Your knees will feel stronger and more stable with every passing week of this diet. Ginger also aids digestion, ensuring you absorb all these wonderful nutrients. It is a total body tonic that supports your overall wellness and vitality today. Keep your favorite activities alive by feeding your body what it needs. Your joints will thank you for the extra care and the powerful nutrition. Evening is the perfect time for a warm cup of bone broth. It helps your body repair and regenerate while you sleep peacefully through the night. 30 days from now, you will look back and be glad. This is the start of a whole new chapter for your health and mobility. Stay strong, stay mobile, and never stop moving toward your dreams. Your feet were meant to carry you through a long and beautiful life journey. Pass this knowledge on to someone who needs to hear it today. Let us spread the hope of natural healing to every corner of the world. Thank you for joining us on this journey to better health. We will see you in the next video for more life-changing wellness tips and advice.